In front of me is INFINIX Smart 8, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. Then click on theme and scroll down. Following that, click on all of those dots at the top right corners of all of those categories to see all available options. After locating the best theme for you, tap on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and save your new keyboard by hitting apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of mine has changed. To customize it, you can go back to the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!